I know women's voice is not awrah, but Allah said, if you are mindful of Allah, then do not be overly effeminate in speech with men, or those with sickness in their hearts may be tempted, but speak in a moderate tone. So my question is, what does it mean to speak in a moderate tone? Is a woman obliged to speak harshly or can she just speak normally?
See, a lot of the women don't speak in a normal voice. Most of them, when they speak, they use a soft voice. If this is their nature, you can't do anything about that. But the way you speak, that can be tempting for men. So many women call and they use phrases that can only be used with her father, her brother, her son, her mahrams, when they urge you to answer. So they insist and they urge you and they plead to you. And I'm a non-mahram. And this is totally inappropriate. So in Arabic they will say, Allah yakhallik, may Allah preserve you. This form of phrase in Arabic is flirtatious when it's given or said to a non-mahram. Imagine a woman goes to the souk to buy a dress or to buy a piece of cloth, and sometimes underwears. This is halal. So how much is this? And the guy says 20 riyals. And she says, okay, what about for me? Excuse me? What do you mean for me? Do I know you? This is totally inappropriate. What are you doing? Next time, maybe give him your number. A'udhu billah. A chaste woman does not speak like this. Does not lure men by talking in submissiveness, in a soft voice, and in a soft fashion. This is what's haram in Islam. You want something? How much is this? It's 20 riyals. That's the last price? Yes. Okay, thank you. And you go, or you buy it. But you don't bargain with saying, okay, come on. I know people that got it for less. Come on, for me, please. Hello? This is totally unacceptable. So this is one of the types that women may use to soften their voice in an inappropriate way with men, which Allah prohibited and Allah Azza wa Jalla knows best.